அடுக்கி வரினும் அழிவிலான் உற்ற இடுக்கண் இடுக்கட்படும்.
Art is a means to connect to something which is larger than us, something which is outside us. So when I listen to a piece of music or I watch a performance with total involvement, for those moments I'm completely with what is happening outside of me, and it just feels very joyous. It puts us in touch with various kinds of emotions, with compassion, with devotion, with wonder. Art is a means of experiencing various kinds of emotions which we may not have access to when we are only with our own selves. So for me that is a beautiful offering that artists bring to actually offer the space of connecting to a diverse set of emotions. And the pandemic has really struck a very severe blow to artists. Artists, especially performing artists, are facing severe hardships, not only in the performance, in finding spaces to continue to perform, in finding people, patrons who can support them, in having spaces where they can actually have an audience, because that is such an important part of the performance itself. So these are all things which performing artists must be definitely facing severe limitations or difficulties around, whether it's a street artist or even the seasoned artists. But and that is why I think the space which RMT Samskriti is filling is so relevant, because it is giving a platform to artists to find a space to perform their art, and with the hope that this is art which is going to be seen, which is going to be appreciated, which is going to make people connected, and connected to the artists, connected to the performance. And that feeling is very precious to artists. So I wish the best to RMT Samskriti to continue to provide this space to artists and nurture their aspirations and their hope.
Ambashavi Chandramouli Ambashavi Chandramouli Amanala Varna Uma Parvati Ambashavi Chandramouli Amanala Varna Kali Haimavati Shivati Nayani चंपकमय जयति लहरी कलिमेय कैलादीसा Sani sani ma pa pa ni pa ma ga ga ma ni pa sani ma ga ma ga ni sa ni sani pa ma ga ma ga ni Veena venu vinoda pandita kara Virasana samstita Veena venu vinoda pandita kara Virasana samstita Chitruvi paradevata Bhagavati Virajadadeshwari Chitruvi paradevata Bhagavati Virajadadeshwari Veena venu vinoda pandita kara